Here's a great deal on a 2004 Ford F-150 Heritage. This two-door, three-passenger truck has just over 90,000 miles. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Top features include front fog lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.